Hi, I'm Emily from Harper & Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D flower out of paper. Using a cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette, you can easily cut out your materials and then assemble with some hot glue. Let me show you how.
Okay, as you can see, I have all my parts cut out. The flowers are in three different sizes. Stamen is this centerpiece, and I've got two leaves at slightly different sizes. I am working on the back of an old mat. I find it works really well for keeping my surface clean, and it also gives me a parameter of knowing where I need to stay so that hopefully I can keep this all in um, within the frame while I'm videoing. I also have my glue gun here. And I like to just get these inexpensive silicone mats and cut them to fit where I need them. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my larger of the three flowers. You can see each one has 5 petals, and they have only one edge of the petal is connected. The first thing I'm going to do is actually take my pencil, and with my hand in the pencil, I'm just going to roll this one back a little bit. Each petal, a little roll. And then I'm going to take my pencil rolls away, my glue gun. This should be on my right side. I am right-handed. And I am going to kind of pinch this a little bit and glue the loose edge to the center of my flower here. Into the glue and let it dry. And this first one, I'm just kind of going to go around and glue each one. I'm okay with a little bit of room on this outer one. I'm going to fill it in the other layers. And of course, I've got hot glue strings all over my hands. Now we're going to repeat with the next layer, and I'll speed this part of the video up. Glue everywhere. We're going to offset it and put it on the inside of the previous layer. I'm going to roll the edges of the third one. This one I'm actually going to curl them a little bit more inward. And the same thing as before. And finally, I am going to add glue to the center Place this one in the middle. The other ones. Now, I'm going to take the stamen here, and it is, still glue everywhere, a long strip with slits down the middle. We're going to carefully fold this. I'm kind of just gently fold it with my fingers a little bit. You know, you could actually probably even do this. Let's try this. Kind of roll it on the pencil a little bit. Give it some curve, but not necessarily a fold, if possible. And then I'm going to run some glue down one side. And pinch it in place. So I'm trying to pinch the bottom, but not necessarily crease the top. And then I'm going to carefully curl this up a little bit. I don't want, I want this to be a larger center. You could actually make this 2 of these if you wanted to, if you really want to fill the center up, but I'm going to do 1 for today. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue occasionally. Keep the bottom kind of loose. I get back to the end here. Secure that. Got a second to dry. You can see it's open on the bottom. It fills in pretty nicely on the top. And now I'm going to add a lot of glue here. So that it stays in the middle of my flower. Get a second to dry and kind of pull these edges out a little bit. Fan them out a bit. And then finally, I have 2 leaves I can't seem to pick up that I'm going to give a little curl. I'm going to give them a forward curl. And I'm going to glue them together. And I'm going to stick it in between 2 layers there with a little bit of glue. To hold it in place. And there you go.
What do you think? My finger survived. I'll leave a link to the file below where you can grab it from my Etsy shop. And please feel free to hop over to my website, harperandco.com, and join me over there where I give away free SVG files and update you on what's going on. Have a great day.